गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। आई एम ऑलरेडी लेट फॉर टुडे एंड अब फटाफट से रेडी होके फटाफट स्टेशन पहुंचना टू बोर्ड द ट्रेन। हसलिंग सो मच। फाइनली आई एम इन माई ट्रेन। आई एम सो एक्साइटेड फॉर दिस जर्नी। लेट्स होप फॉर द बेस्ट दैट एवरीथिंग गोज वेल एंड मज़ा आने वाला है।
Here we go, but somehow I'm caught in the middle.
So finally I'm here at Nizamuddin station and heading towards AIIMS metro station.
Should I work against the flow? A drop in the ocean, so endless. Reaching for our moments miles above. I just need one.
So finally reached AIIMS metro station and I can't believe like I'm standing in front of AIIMS New Delhi. Like the dream of so many NEET aspirants, like every NEET aspirant and every medico, and finally I got a chance to visit here. I'm already running short of time और अभी मुझे सर्च करना है इतने बड़े कैंपस में कि एक्चुअली मुझे अपने आईडी कार्ड कहाँ से कलेक्ट करने हैं एंड इट्स गोना बी हेक्टिक टास्क, बट देखते हैं, ढूंढते हैं. Finally, I reached technical hall and attending the epilepsy and EEG workshop, and it was amazing. This was basically the trauma management, and this was AI integration with medicine workshop or a seminar type.
Is this the end before we've even begun? Should I work against the flow? A drop in the ocean, so endless. Reaching for our moments miles above. I just need one. Diving in to all this.
और अब सुबह से इतनी हसल के बाद बहुत तेज़ भूख लगी थी, सो आई एम हेयर एट AIIMS कैफेटेरिया एंड सो देखते हैं क्या मिलता है यहाँ पर.
Escape, a lovely start, but letting go's the hardest part. Swimming in this deep, deep blue. Hold my breath, looking up. Life moves in waves that keeps changing. Catch a glimpse of what was you.
So here the preparations for Med Hackathon competition was going on and it was about to start in 5 to 10 minutes.
So Hari covers that in a 5-kilometer radius, which is very manageable within a period of 3 hours. We do provide these services, and every 3 hours, which is the time it takes for a person to start producing milk.
This was the lump excision workshop.
तो वो जो बाहर आता है उसको हम वो पस को जो डीप ऑफ द वुंड से आई है उसको हम माइक्रोबायोलॉजी के लिए भी भेजते हैं टू कंफर्म कि कौन सा माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म है.
Still I see you, sweet escape.
Finally it's time to say goodbye to AIIMS New Delhi. Want to say see you soon.
Swimming in this deep.
So now we are going to Majnu का टीला एंड देखते हैं कोई काफ़ी फेमस स्पॉट है दिल्ली का, तो देख कर आते हैं.
I'm floating on this dream, but soon comes morning. For now I'll embrace our wondrous sea.
Preparing something called laughing, and the way she was preparing it was so soothing now, and it was actually very tasty.
Swimming in this deep, deep blue. I'm diving
So फर्स्ट वी वेंट टू आमा कैफ़े बट वहाँ पर 2 घंटे की वेटिंग थी. सो फाइनली वी एंडेड अप ईटिंग इन डोलमा कैफ़े एंड लिटरली गाइस उनकी तिब्बतन डिशेस आर फैबुलस एक्चुअली. So finally I'm going back to my college, that is SNMC Medical College Agra, and literally it was a hilarious experience visiting my dream college and attending scientific workshops here. It was really amazing, and I hope you like this vlog, and it's time to say goodbye. Thanks for watching.